Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. You know, we've put out 2 videos on how to maximize the performance of this machine and how to reduce the stink that develops and moisture and all that. But that's not what we're going to talk about today. We love these machines, and I'm going to give you my top reasons why you should consider buying one. Now, I know there are those of you that are going to disagree with me, but I'm going to see if I can convince you anyway. Let the hate begin. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com in the laundry room using our LG front-loading washing machine. Now, we've had great success with this, and I can tell you this video series, there's 2 of them now so far, this is the 3rd on this subject, has been one of the most passionate debates that we've received on our channel. There are those of you that absolutely love these machines and you were happy to find some ways to really maximize their performance and how to maintain them. There's others of you that feel equally strongly there is no reason whatsoever to have these and they're junk and they're from the devil, those kind of things. But I'll tell you what, it's kind of like trying to say what's better, Ford or Chevy or Mac or PC or Android or, you know, whatever. What's that other one? Anyway, so these are the kind of arguments that you just have to make a decision based on information of what works best for you. Well, we really like this machine, and I want to give you some of the top reasons why. Here we go. Reason number 1, because the machine washes horizontally and water comes over the top of the clothes, the way the tub is oriented cooperates with gravity. And as water flows through the clothes, gravity pulls it through and only needs a little bit of water to do so. Instead of sitting in a whole tub of water, which is kind of like, you know, sitting in a bathtub after you've had a hard day's work, you're kind of sitting in your own, you know. So this is kind of gets it out of there with less water. There's a second benefit that is tied directly to that, and that is because there is less water, high efficiency laundry products, detergents and softeners only need a little bit to do the work that's needed. And there's a basic reason for that. Since you have less water, you aren't diluting the product. It stays in higher concentrate form, and just a little bit will do you. As a matter of fact, one of the big problems why people end up with stinkiness out of these machines is because they keep using excess amounts of detergent and softener, and especially if they're liquid types, you end up with a lot of biologicals because those are tallow-based, an organic material. You're going to end up with mildew and such and the resultant stink that goes with it. So you don't need as much of that. Reason number 3, these machines don't use any kind of agitator. There's no vertical agitator or a plate agitator like on a top loader. And that means that what is actually doing the cleansing action? The clothes themselves. There are no hard agitators, therefore less abrasion. Whatever the most abrasive or toughest article that's in that load of laundry is the winner on everything, but there's a lot of tumbling going on where the clothes are slipping by themselves, water's flowing through it, and therefore less abrasion, less water, less wear and tear on your delicates. That's a great reason. Number 4, one of the things that you can select on this machine is a speed wash. Now there's other longer washes like for bulky or large or towel, but a speed wash, you can actually have a whole load of lightly soiled articles. Let's suppose dress clothes, something like that, dress shirts or something that weren't heavily soiled. You could have them done in 18 to 20 minutes and the finish is beautiful. For those of you that have to keep time compressed and can't invest a lot of time in the laundry room, that's a great option, and we actually use it on a fairly regular basis. Reason number 5, ultra high spin speeds. Well, what benefit is that? Well, a couple things. Number 1, the laundry comes out of the machine much drier, translating to less time in the dryer, lower utility costs. And the secondary benefit is that you can actually have a laundry day and get a lot done because articles are drying. You're not piling up waiting for the dryer to get done. you can actually put through, or a lot of throughput because of drier articles. We found that to be a great benefit. And there's one other cool thing that happens. When the clothes are drier, if you end up having to let them set for a half day or something, or you've got laundry and you have to run an errand, you come back, they're a lot less to start getting that little bit of laundry edginess, stinkiness, because there's less moisture to feed mildew and such. So that's another great benefit. Number 6, when these machines are placed on a pedestal, this is a very handy working height. And finally, number 7, hey, if this kind of design is really the best for commercial laundries, the next time you go to a hotel, a resort, a hospital, look at their commercial laundries, even a penitentiary, not that I would know about that, but a friend of mine told me that these kind of machines, large scale, are in all of those settings. Why? All the benefits I just outlined for you scale up as well. So there's some compelling reasons to consider buying one of these. Now I know there are those of you that love the top loaders, and I'm not saying you're going to lose out if you buy one of those. And some of the legacy machines, like the old Speed Queen top loaders, excellent machines. So I'm not a hater. I'm just telling you, if you're considering one of these are the reasons why we really love the machine and why you should consider them as well. Well, if you found this video to be helpful, won't you like it? And better yet, subscribe to our channel. And when you do, ring the bell so that every time we put out a new video, approximately every Friday, you'll be notified right away for great insights like what you've enjoyed today, as well as things in the shop, the garden, and in the kitchen, and great product reviews. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerj.com.